started together as roommates in the old Disney animation training program. That was a few unspecified decades ago. His friendship has been a privilege, a pleasure, and a remarkable, fascinating adventure all these years. In my life, I've never met a person with more passion for filmmaking and animation than Brad Bird. And one of his most passionate beliefs was that animation could tell any story. He hated the idea that animation should be limited to fantasy or talking animals. He used to say, you might remember this, that Hollywood always wants us to sit at the kids' table. When he was asked what he wanted to do in animation, he didn't say create amazing worlds or make fun fantasy characters. He said, I want two humans to have a domestic argument. And when Bob Parr and Helen Parr did that in The Incredibles, you can almost sense Brad sit back and say, okay, live action, match that. As Brad has said, animation is not a genre, it's a medium. It can tell any story in a unique way. From Family Dog to Iron Giant, to his Oscar and Annie-winning turns on The Incredibles and Ratatouille, Brad forever obliterated his own prejudices and limitations. In my mind, there's another side of Brad that stands equal to his accomplishments on the screen, and that's his manner behind the screen. He's a director that is loved, respected, and admired by his crew. For those of you who work with him tonight know what I mean. He finds the best in everyone. He has a unique fire, energy, and genius that gets you to do your best. With all these accolades and accomplishments, what says the most about Brad Bird is knowing what he considers to be most important. That's his wonderful wife, Liz, and his great boys, Michael, Jack, and Nick. Unfortunately, Brad can't be here tonight. He's up in Vancouver shooting this movie, Mission Impossible 4. It's some star. However, we have clips of his work, and at the end, we have a very, very special message. So, Brad's work.
We were in the very first year of the character animation. I was looking at Brad and said, that guy's great. That guy's going to be the best of all of us.
Stay out of this, kid. Just don't concern you. Which way to go? This way.
There he is.
A space movie?
No, honey, Uncle Bud's movies of last Christmas.
It's Christmas now.
No, honey.
Can we just watch? It's you up there.
I know we haven't had much luck shooting you out of this cannon, but maybe that's because we haven't used enough guns out.
Let us do 13. We'll do 13, we'll have fun, and then we're gone.
Last name Simpson, first name John. I'm here today to introduce the next phase. The next step in the big work phase. I got things too easy to do. I learned it with the will, and so can you.
But it was a giant metal man.
I should call someone. No, don't panic. People always wig out and start shooting when they see something big like that. Wig out, it means crazy, you know, like, No, don't do that. That's the kind of stuff that makes them shoot at you.
The American Indians, when they killed the buffalo, they used every part of the buffalo. They didn't waste anything. So when I say use every part of the buffalo, it means managing everything to get the most out of it.
Supermodels. Nothing super about them. Spoiled, stupid little stick figures with goofy lips looking all over themselves. I used to design for gods. This is not the latest fashion. This is the earliest fashion. It will be the latest fashion a year from now.
You're the best of the best.
Yes, I know that.
Kind of skipped Animal Olympics then.
Hi, Brad Bird here. I'm sorry I can't be there to receive this award in person tonight because I'm tied up elsewhere. But I'd like to express my heartfelt gratitude for the Winsor McCay Award, particularly sharing it with my two old friends, Matt Groening and Eric Goldberg. It is a sweet capper to my involvement in the world of animation, which comes to an end as of today. You see, my friends, as much as I value my time spent dabbling in cartoons, I've moved on to bigger and, let's face it, better things. I'm, of course, talking about live action. I'm honest with myself, it's where I've always secretly wanted to be, and I'm a lot happier for it. Compared with animation, live action movie making is a stress-free, carefree world of creativity without compromise. You know, actors have a bad rep for being high maintenance and difficult. That's not true at all. Friendly and cooperative and not the least bit insecure. Some say actors are paranoid that they might find themselves made obsolete by advances in animation technology, but that really is absurd. If some nerd with a paintbrush is award-winning international. An idiot and a communist.
You push it on cartoon going, do what he says.
It is. I say a big thank you for this honor. I will treasure it always, even though it is connected with something I have thankfully left behind. All that remains is for me to say to you, my friends, and former peers, thank you and please help me.